Well, 2016 Chevy Tahoe, hard brake pedal. Now, what I'm trying to do is a regular vacuum gauge somehow connected here, because the thing is, what I noticed, first thing what I did try to push the brake pedal a couple times and then start up a car and see if the pedal goes down, and it does goes down, but it happens very slow. Then I pulled the vacuum hose out, just plugged it with my finger and got this number. But when I plug the booster back, it's kind of, if you push the brake pedal, it goes up to the same number when you have it disconnected. Oh shit. So basically, what I think is going on, it works. You see, when it's unplugged, I got 223, and if I plug it back to the car, it's super slow. It takes like a couple minutes. No, a very good couple minutes. I'm trying to determine if there is a leak in the booster itself, or it's just a vacuum pump that is dead. I think it's a vacuum pump. Yeah, you see, it's slowly crimping out to the same number as when it's disconnected just with my gauge. Super slowly. Yeah, I didn't even go back to the same number. Kind of. Whatever. And if I press the brake pedal, right now it's gonna work. But if I roll back, release the pedal and press it again, it's losing a vacuum. I cannot hear it's leaking, but I think it's just a pump that's barely pumping. Well, maybe it needs both, but you see how much the number goes up. So if you are driving on the parking lot slowly, that's what he feels. Feels like you start missing the brake pedal. Well, I'll do some research on how much vacuum should be here, but it looks to me like the vacuum pump is not producing enough. Alright, thank you.